Okay, we are at part 11 and we're continuing the blade. I had to stop short earlier because I was running out of time. Uh, we need to do, so we converted the hole and we converted the back end. We worked with the bracket to put these angles in. So let's get the next horizontal line. This is perfectly horizontal, so we can take that and we're going to paste it, copy and paste it right there. And it's a vertical, so it gets converted and rotated to 30 degrees, just like that. Now this one is at an angle. Um, Actually, let's wait on that. See, there's a little straight part right there. I forgot. We need to put that in. So let's grab that, and that goes right down there. Now that can't remain horizontal because we convert horizontals, so that will be 30. Now, here's a cool thing. This is just this point connected to this point. So if I take the line, it's just like using a bracket. If we connect it, you're going to have this. Now, here's the thing. This line right here has remained vertical. So a lot of times students will take this, rotate the entire thing 30 degrees, and I'll see this line is at a strange angle, and that's how I'll know you didn't do it correctly. So be warned that if you do it, you've got to build it one piece at a time to keep it correct. All right, let's put the little berm in here or the burr, I think it's called the burr, where it's what makes it sharp. That's a 1/16 of an inch between these two lines. So let's go ahead and get the offset tool. Let's put the distance in for 1/16 and click this line, float above, click again. Matter of trimming this piece off, and then this piece has to be extended like that. Let's save. Now we need to put the thickness in because it's not a flat piece. So the width of it, last time I checked, was 1/16. I don't have that written anywhere. So let's put the ortho on and let's type in 1/16. Yep, that's correct. I can tell just by looking at it. So that is a vertical. So guess what happens to the vertical? Uh-oh, look what happened. I did it 30 degrees and it disappears inside the line. Control Z. So if 30 didn't work, what's the opposite of 30? -30 or 330. There we go. Steal that line and paste it over here. And if it matches up with this, that's okay. It's supposed to look that way. Let's take this 1/16 inch, 30 degree angled line and pop it right there. And this comes to a point. So we start here and go like this. See? Comes to a nice sharp point. Now, normally you would think we're done, but we're not. Let's take this again from this viewport, from this base point. Find where the curve meets, there it is, and put that in. Now we need to take this part of the ellipse, move it down like this. Do you guys see what I'm doing? Let's trim out this side of the line. Now let's take this line and bring it over here. And does it meet? Yep, perfectly. So let's go ahead and get rid of that guideline. And there you have the perfect conversion. We don't need this anymore. Goodbye. Let's line it all up. So we have the collet and the blade needs to be put in line here. So let's start with an arrow. If I can grab the arrow. And let's put one here. And this is a guesstimate. I'm going to move this later. Let's put it right about there. And we're keeping this line just to get things lined up properly. Move tool. Let's grab this from the center right there. And let's put it right there. Again, we can move this stuff around if we need to. Let's take this one and let's grab it from the center there. Put it at the tip of the blade, the arrow right there. And this stuff can go away. That's just garbage. Let's get rid of this guideline right here. And let's see how things measure up. Honestly, I think I would slide this one back a little bit. So let's pull it right about there. Nope, too much. I want that gap missing. Just a little gap here. A little gap. Move tool. There we go. Okay, that I'm good with. Let's move the blade a little bit forward. Oh, the arrow too. The arrow overlapped over there. So let's select the whole blade and let's select the arrow and move tool, and let's go ahead and move it out a little bit. See how things kind of line up automatically? All right, we're looking pretty good there. So let's take a break and we'll do this was part 11, we'll do a part 12 next. So go ahead and we'll pause this out. Goodbye.